Today, we're exploring the Huawei FreeBuds SE4, delivering premium features at a budget price tag. This is my honest and unsponsored review, and I'll take you through my complete hands-on experience, covering the unboxing, a new design, with 50 hours battery life, multi-mode ANC, and Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. Now the burning question is, do these earbuds actually deliver? Join me and let's find out. But first, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications bell for our latest tech reviews and exclusive content. The most significant enhancement in the FreeBuds SE4 lies in its completely redesigned form factor. Unlike the previous SE3 model, which featured a compact build without silicone ear tips, the SE4 adopts a stem-style design that closely resembles the AirPods Pro, now incorporating interchangeable silicone tips for improved comfort and secure fit. At just 4 grams each buds and 44 grams, including the case, the FreeBuds SE4 ANC are incredibly lightweight with an ergonomic design that's comfortable for all-day wear. It's available in 2 different colors. There is black and white. They feature IP54 dust and splash resistance as well, making them perfect for workouts. The charging case feels premium with a satisfying magnetic closure. Overall, I'm really impressed with the design and build quality, especially given the affordable price. Moving on to its performance, the FreeBuds SE4 marks a significant milestone as Huawei's first SE series earbuds to feature active noise cancellation, delivering up to 27 decibels of noise reduction, a substantial improvement over the SE3. The earbuds offer versatile ANC options including dynamic, cozy, general, and ultra modes that can be tailored to your surroundings. The standout dynamic mode intelligently adapts to ambient noise levels automatically, which is impressive for earbuds in this price range. Through the AI Life app, users can customize sound profiles to their preferences, activate voice assistants, and utilize advanced gesture controls such as double tap, triple tap, and press and hold functions for volume adjustment. Premium features typically reserved for high-end audio devices. Regarding audio performance, the SE4 features 10mm dynamic drivers that delivers surprisingly impressive bass quality and volume for earbuds at this price point, exceeding my expectations. Each earbud is equipped with 3 microphones, utilizing directional sound pickup algorithms designed to improve voice clarity while minimizing background interference. To demonstrate these capabilities, I'll play some music and record samples to showcase both the audio output and the voice quality performance.
Alright guys, so let's gonna test the microphone of this Huawei FreeBuds SE4. So I'm here right now in the balcony and there's some noises, there is the wind, and down at my building there's so many cars and passing through. So yeah, this is the microphone guys of the FreeBuds SE4. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
In summary, I'm impressed with both the audio output and microphone capabilities. The bass response is solid, and the voice recording quality is quite good overall. The most impressive feature is the exceptional 50-hour combined battery life, offering 10 hours per earbud when ANC is disabled and up to 50 hours total with the charging case included. Fast charging capability is another highlight, providing 4 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, the earbuds ensure reliable connectivity and include multi-point support for effortless switching between devices. Now here is my final verdict. The Huawei FreeBuds SE4 ANC delivers exceptional value with premium features at a budget price. With impressive battery life, effective ANC, comfortable design, and solid build quality, they easily compete with more expensive alternatives. At 189 dirhams in Dubai, these earbuds offer excellent value for anyone seeking high-quality wireless audio on a budget, making them a straightforward choice to recommend. For those interested in trying out this appealing device, you'll find purchase information in the links provided below. That's it for today's FreeBuds SE4 ANC review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!